Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to Android. First, make sure your Sony headphones have sufficient battery life, ideally over 50%, to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, activate Bluetooth on your Android phone or tablet. You can typically find this option in the Quick Settings menu by swiping down from the top of your screen. Finally, put your Sony headphones into pairing mode, which often involves pressing and holding the power button for about 7 seconds until an indicator light flashes. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your Android device. You should see a list of available devices. Look for your Sony headphones, which will usually appear with their model name, like WH1000XM5. Tap on your headphone's name to initiate the connection. Your Android device might then display a pairing request. Simply confirm it to establish the secure Bluetooth link between your devices. If you encounter any issues during pairing, a simple restart of both your Sony headphones and your Android device can often resolve the problem. Additionally, I highly recommend downloading the free Sony Headphones Connect app from the Google Play Store. This essential application offers advanced features like equalizer adjustments, ambient sound control, and crucial firmware updates, ensuring your headphones perform at their best. It also helps manage multiple connections. With your Sony headphones successfully connected, explore the full potential offered by the Sony Headphones Connect app. Customize your sound profile, adjust noise cancellation levels, and even enable features like speak-to-chat for a truly personalized listening experience. Regularly check for and install firmware updates through the app to ensure you always have the latest improvements and bug fixes. Now you're all set to enjoy premium audio quality and seamless connectivity with your Android device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.